Have you ever opened Safari on your iPhone and noticed there are a lot of web pages still open? Or maybe your phone feels cluttered because you have several apps sitting in the background. In this video, I'll show you how to close tabs and apps on your iPhone. This can help your phone feel cleaner, easier to use, and less overwhelming. Let's start with Safari tabs. A tab is simply a web page that is still open in your internet browser. For example, if you looked up the weather, searched for a recipe, or opened a news article, each of those pages may still be open as a tab. Alright, let's go ahead and do a demo of how to close tabs on your iPhone. We are going to be using the Safari web browser, so we'll go ahead and launch the Safari web browser. And then once you open it, in order to see all of your tabs, you're going to tap the three-dot menu down there at the bottom right of the screen. And then you want to select all tabs, that little overlapping box icon right there. And now you are looking at all of your open tabs currently. You have a couple of different ways that you can close these tabs. You can do it one at a time, and there's two different methods for doing that. The first of which is there's a little X at the top right of each one of those tabs. You can tap that, and that closes that tab out. You can do that for all of those. The other way that you can close a tab from this screen is to just tap on it and then just drag it to the left. So tap on it and drag it to the left, tap on it, drag it to the left, and that gets rid of all of those tabs. Now, if this is the first time that you have ever closed a tab, it's likely that you've got a very long list of tabs that are open, and maybe you just want a clean start, so there's a really easy way to close all of your tabs at once. Down there at the bottom right, there is a blue circle with a check mark in it. If you just tap that and hold it, another menu will pop open, and that gives you the option to close all tabs at the same time just by tapping that one little red spot and then the little red spot again, and now all of your tabs are closed. Now let's switch gears and talk about apps. When you open an app and then go back to your home screen, the app may still appear in your recent apps. Closing apps you are no longer using can help your phone feel more organized and save energy and resources. Depending upon the iPhone that you have, there are two different ways to close down apps that you're no longer using. If you have an iPhone that has a home button in this area, you're just going to double click that home button, and that will do the same thing that will happen for the iPhone that I have, which does not have a home button. But if you have an iPhone like me, you're going to swipe up from the very bottom of the phone, and then you're going to stop about midway and then just release your finger, and now we can see all of our open apps across the phone. We can review all of these, and in order to close down one of these apps, it's the same process whether you have the home button or the iPhone like mine. You're just going to swipe up on any app that you want to close, and that closes that app. You can repeat this as many times as you want. You can go super fast and get all of them closed out. And doing this regularly will probably save you some memory, some battery, all kinds of good stuff. So it's a good practice to do. Now when you're done closing the apps that you want to close, you can just press your finger anywhere where those apps are not open. So like down there at the bottom, and you're right back to this screen. Here's a simple tip. You do not have to close every app all the time. But if your phone feels cluttered or you just want a fresh start, closing extra tabs and apps can make things easier to manage. If your screen looks a little different, that's okay. Just look for the tabs button in Safari or use the swipe up gesture to view your recent apps. Give this a try on your iPhone today. Thank you for watching, and as always, I hope now you are more tech-wise.